Hey everybody, welcome back to the Yellow Vet 04 channel. If you're new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. Today I'm going to be repairing your dim display on your HVAC controller. Instead of being at my house, today I am in a Team 512 garage. Check out his garage, buddy. Now Scott's motto is, what's better than one Corvette? Of course, two. So if you're not following Scott, check him out. He's obviously got a C7 and a fixed roof coupe C5. So the purpose of today's video is to fix the dim display in the HVAC controller. Now this is a typical C5 Corvette issue. This display over time will go bad, and it's a simple fix. All you have to do is open this up, take off these 4 screws here, get into the inside, and then all you have to do is resolder 8 resistors. So the only tools you're going to need is something, little sockets to get these off. Then obviously a soldering iron and some solder. So I'm going to leave a link in the description to like a $20 kit that includes everything you're going to need for this project, and also for when you replace the lights on the inside. Alright, now once it's opened up, you're going to have to take off these 4 screws on this side. This will gain you access to the 8 resistors that you need to resolder. Now with this section of the board removed, you just set this off to the side, and then these are the 8 resistors that need to be resoldered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you just have to get into resoldering those. The easiest way is just heat up the joints on either end, and then just put some new solder on there, because the existing solder at those joints just seems to crack over time. It's just one of those things that just tends to happen. In their soldering kit came these like little tweezers. These are going to be very helpful for when you're just grabbing these. So all I'm going to do is just pinch this one, because once you undo one side, it's 50-50 shot. If you undo one side, the whole resistor might just start to come off. So just hold down the one side, heat this up. Alright, so that's just going to get it back onto place. And then I'm going to come back in a second and just resolder that. But at least I know that it's bonded a little bit better than it was originally. Same with that one. Alright, so I'm just going to go through all 8 of these really quick before I resolder them. See how that last one just moved right there? So this one side, there you go. So just this one soldering joint on this side here is pretty bad, so when we come back we'll fix that. Same with that one. See, that one just moved right off the bat just doing the one side, so that's, again, this side's a bad side on this one. Alright, so now I'm going to come back in with the solder and redo those. So you don't, when you're doing this, you don't need a lot of solder. A little bit goes a long way. Alright, so that's it. And then now I'm just going to heat this up and bring this back in line. Alright, so now that's back in place. Heat this side up. So that's a quick way to resolder all 8 of those joints. Now just don't be heavy-handed with it. Don't add too much, you know, don't keep the soldering don't keep the soldering iron on there for too long. Just be light-handed with it. Don't use too much solder. You see, still looks in decent shape. I've seen some pictures, guys just go in there, you know, pretty hard with the soldering iron and end up burning the board and all that stuff. So you don't want to do any of that. Just take your time, be light with it, and you'll be fine. Now, one useful tip when you're doing this, always keep your tip clean. So it comes, again, this kit comes with a little sponge. Wet the sponge, and then just clean your tip off, because nobody likes a dirty tip. Alright, so that'll do it for this portion of the video. Like I said, just to fix that dim display, all you have to do is redo those 8 resistors, just redo all those soldering points, and that display should light up pretty good. I'm going to put a before picture and an after picture up, just so you can see what it looks like before and then after. It's a simple process. Like I said, $20 soldering iron kit. If you already have a soldering iron, even better. But if you don't, it's $20. I'm going to leave a link in the description for that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.